the destination. And Bella Mansion. It's last. Too much lang. Okay, that's it, guys. This is the place of Villa. You go inside. And then the hole here is on the right side. Welcome back to Tita Bella Mansion, which is always Sophia no holiday. Now this is Villa House, where we are. Now this is Villa Pampalayan. All Villa Palayan. Ayo! Happy teeth! I removed Sophia. Finally, we are here. Sophia, it's arrived. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See guys, too much yes man. Too much chicken. We'll find the chicken of Bella, guys. I'm always picking the Bella.
Hello.
Hi!